Hey, welcome back, everybody. No Man's Sky. Well, you seen the last episode. We got our ship up to 28K. Well, I moved around a few of the things on the ship. It's now over 30,000. And our our multi-tool is over 30,000. Our ship is still at 29. But I want to see how good our multi-tool is. So I came to one of these distant planets, and I want to try and draw these guys in. Well, I've made 3 attempts to do it, and for some reason, they are not coming in. I keep destroying these things. It goes to level 1, and I don't see them come in. I don't know if I'm just killing the sentinels too fast, because as soon as this guy comes in, I blast him. Oh, okay. Maybe it'll work this time. Okay. Yep. Alright, it is working. Beautiful. We're at level 2. Awesome. Maybe. See, now it goes into searching. It's like they can't find me, and I haven't moved. Oh, okay, detected. Where are you guys at? Oh, okay, I see you. Oh, come on, I had to reload. Because I tried doing this once before. I was on a different planet. And I got all the way up to level 4. And they couldn't find me. And I'm like, oh, come on. I didn't even get any walkers in. Oh, I almost shot at those. Okay, I'm at level 3. So I don't know what kind of glitch is going on. Maybe they're just afraid of the power of my multi-tool. Oh. Come on, quit fixing these guys before I blow them up. Hey, hey, stop being so pushy. That's what happens when you get pushy with me, buddy. I shoot your butt. Oh, another guy pushy. Where you at? Where you at? Alright, this is what I like. I like a little fight. I can't see you guys. There's too much foliage here. I should have cleared the foliage out. Is there more guys? Alright, I'm looking up a top scanner thing. It's not showing anybody. This planet's shaking too much. Oh, that is one of them. And I'm hoping to get the walkers. Because every time I go to my settlement, I get that one walker. And I annihilate him pretty quick. If I had food to offer you, I would. Alright, we're still on level 3. Man, I can't see you guys. See, I wish we get walkers about that size. That would be awesome. Come on. Let's hurry up and get to 5. Okay, I just seen an arrow pointing. Aha! Okay. See, it's coming way too slow. There's another one way over there. What hide behind all these crystals? Yeah, you cheating, buddy. Okay, fine. You want to be that way? But that don't hurt you at all, does it? That does. Alright, I know there's more of you guys around here somewhere. Ha ha ha! Okay, I just seen it. Okay, oh, okay, we're on number 4 now. Oh, I love this bolt caster because long range. Oh yeah, multiples and okay, multiples are in. Where they at though? Oh, big guys. I like these guys. Where'd I just see you? So you're hiding behind the crystals and I can't shoot through the crystals. Alright, hippie hops, where you at? Oh, big hopper. I think he's got somebody healing him. Not anymore. Wow, I'm going to be chasing all over the place around here, trying to pick up parts. Oh, now it's fun. All right, I'm going to just start picking them up now. Make them come get me. Where you guys at? Oh, Venus flytrap. Man, I can't see nothing. Yeah, it ain't falling that fast. I'll recharge that in a minute when I need to. Yeah, see, I don't see these guys. That's the problem. So you guys are hiding behind all this stuff. Okay, there you are. Where you at, puppy? Yeah, I knew if I'd start clearing this stuff out, you guys would show up. Okay, new swarm coming in. Oh, there you are. Man, I can't see nothing. I'm pretty much shooting in blind. Alright, where'd you go, you little fart? Keep running into me. Okay, sorry I wasn't talking, but trying to see these guys. Aha, there you are. I see ya. I see ya. Trying to be a little sneaky snake, huh? Thank God I got lots of ammo. Alright, I know you went invisible. Where you at? Oh! What happened? Oh, I beat it. That's what happened. Hey, you guys are late to the party. I'm done. No, I'm picking these up. We're done. Go away. Tier 1's over with. That was quick. Well, sort of. Could have been better. I didn't even have to redo my shields. Oh, look at that. Didn't even see it over here. No. Yeah, well, I just picked it up. I gotta take it. Oh, ammo. Ammo and a microchip. Well, that wasn't too bad. That was actually pretty easy. Well, all things considered, this gun is a little bit OP with 30k damage. Get out of my way, bug. I think that's all of them. Just gotta find my ship and get the heck out of here. That was pretty good. And then we got all kinds of goodies. What's that? Why is that lit up? Is there a reason why that's lit up? Oh. No, I'm not gonna make no nuggets for him. But yeah, we got some of these. Yeah, we just burn these off. Same thing with these crystal fragments. But yeah, we got a bunch of these hard framed engines. Cup of glass. I've been trying to use that glass up. Got a whole bunch of it back there, and accidentally got some more feline things. But yeah, I did have these in here, these 20, but the rest of the stuff was add-ons. Well, I mean, was it worth doing? Yeah, just to see what the new toy could do. What the heck? That's a funky looking thing. But yeah, it was fun. I'm glad you guys came out to watch. And at least I know we are well protected now. Oh, there's another one. I can see it. What are you? You are 23,000. I gotta upgrade that thing some more because we're getting some good coin for that. Not that we need coin. scrapping all those ships. If you need coin, money, oh yeah, the ships are the way to go. I mean, look at my money from hunting those ships. Unbelievable. It's just awesome. Did I get them all? If I didn't, that's okay. I can get them this way. Okay, I will catch you guys on the next episode. This is Gmo signing out for now. I'm gonna go kill a freighter.